Hold the top down button for roughly 8 seconds. Having the top in this position provides the maximum amount of work area and visibility. Additionally, placing some type of support where the red eyes are will help relieve some of the stress and ensure that you don't get hit in the head by the top. If one of your bat wings is intact, be sure to inspect it so that you have an idea what to expect on the other side. Take note of the order of the eyelets and also the direction of the rope. This is the view of the very last eyelet, which is closest to the rear of the vehicle. Begin by threading the rope from the front of the car to the back of the car through the bottom eyelet of the Batwing. Thread the rope from the bottom to the top of the first eyelet, which is located on the inner pillar. After threading through the second eyelet, the rope should go behind the metal bar in the middle and then back through the black hanging loop. The fourth eyelet is the hardest to find and is located closest to the rear of the vehicle. You want to thread from the inside to the out of the vehicle or the back to the front, depending on your angle. After threading through the fourth eyelet in the back, the rope will begin to come toward the front of the car. The fifth eyelet is located on the outer pillar. The fifth eyelet should be threaded from back to front and then remain under that outer metal pole as shown in this picture. The final eyelet is the top of the Batwing. It should be threaded from the outside of the car to the inside of the car or the back of the car to the front of the car depending on your angle. In this picture, left to right. The rope that was just threaded through the top of the Batwing should be tied into a knot. Because I don't have any special knot tying experience, I chose to melt mine to prevent it from unraveling. Pull the Batwing completely tight until it is in the closed position perpendicular to the vehicle. Unfortunately, this picture does not depict that. You would want to keep pulling and then mark directly on the outside of the last bottom eyelet. So here's a picture of my mark and then subsequent knot. As you can tell, my knot is not in the correct place, and I'll end up having to redo step 11. Since my knot was not in the correct place, you can see that my Batwing doesn't fully close tight as it does on the other side. So what I need to do here is pull the Batwing completely tight, remark, and retie the knot. Here's my second attempt, which turns out to be the correct fit.